bestie, welcome back to another episode on how to cut and sew. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut this trendy dress. It's a short dress, as you can see, and this my own is a combination of two fabric. You can also use one fabric, as you can see it's on the thumbnail, but yeah, I'm combining two fabrics together, both Ankara print and the chiffon fabric. You can see the back of the dress. You can see how full it is. So the Ankara that I used is 1 yard and the chiffon is 18 inches. So the combination is now 1.5 yard. You can see it. So let's go to the cutting section. So this is the length of the dress, 20 inches. The length before the gathers or before the pleat, because you can make it of two things here. You can make it of a pleat, a tiny pleat, or you make it of a gathers. So these are length here. Then from here I'll be taking 5 inches for the shoulder measurement. From here I want to make use of 1 inch of shoulder slant. This is my 1 inch. Then I'm going to slant it up like this. I'll be slanting it up like this, so you can see the slanting. So the next thing is to take the armhole measurement. The armhole measurement. The armhole is also 5 inches. The bust measurement is going to be 23 inches. That's 6.5 in 4 places. The same allowance of 1 inch, you can see. Then this does not have an half cut because it's not fitted. I'll be connecting it to the armhole like this. You can see the armhole here. Then from here, I'm going to slant it down to the full length of the dress like this. So let me now cut it out. So this is what we have here. Next thing is to take the neckline. So it's also neckline. You can see I'll make it of 2 inches wideness. Then 1 inch for the back. Then I'm going to connect it. You can see I'm going to open this out now. You can see the opening. I'm going to load the front neckline. So with 1 inch as well, make it 2 inches. Then I'll be connecting it up here. So this is what we have here. You can see the down part, you can see the upper part of the dress. So we are done with this now. The next thing to do now is to cut out these. Now I'm using 1 yard of this fabric. So this is 20 inches and the whole length is 27 inches. So I'll be making use of 8 inches with the seam allowance. Instead of 7 inches, I'm making of 8 inches. I'm making use of 8 inches. This is my 8 inches. Then I'm going to cut it out. So I'm trying to cut out the length, the mini line to complete the dress. So I'm cutting out 8 inches for each. The 8 inches is with the same allowance. So what I could get there is 4 of that straight cut. So I'm going to join it. You can see now we're having 4 of this now. So 2 is going for the front and 2 is going for the down. So this is the 4 straight cut that we cut out. So the next thing here is to cut out the sleeve. It's a straight sleeve and it has an elastic rubber at the sleeve mouth. So this is the folding of the straight sleeve. You can see that I'm folding it out. So we have done a lot of day on how to cut different kind of sleeves. So you can see the way I'm just cutting out my straight sleeve. So you can check my content on that. So this is what these are sleeve. So the next thing is the turtleneck, and you know it has a rope at the neckline, and we're going to take out the front neckline. It has a slit at the center of the front here. So I will not take the measurement from here. I'm going to make use of 3 inches. Then I'll now split it down to 3 inches. So you can see now this is 3 inches split. This is at the front. So before you can add our turtleneck, the first thing you're going to do is to join the 2 shoulders. So it's after when you join the shoulders that you now take the roundness of the neckline, then you now add your standing collar to it. So let me go and join this and show it to you. So this is after pleating it on the half cut. You can see it, like I can see how full it is. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and for those who watch me for the first time, you're in the right place to be. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial. And for those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for subscribing, for watching my video. Always see you in my next tutorial. Bye.